boat, I just buy the boat. I just paid the boat in the afternoon. Look, in the afternoon, I went home 5 o'clock, and 5, 6, 7, after 2 hours, I have that accident. Look at that. I have that accident after 2 hours paying the boat. Satan trying to destroy me so that, the boat will, all of that. But God, God will not leave me. God just, switch it into like, see, look at what's happening now. Many, after the accident, I have youth. I have youth invited to the anniversary, and now I have youth to do Bible study. See, the destruction of Satan, that it was not worked out. God guiding me to comes out into what I have now, to starting the youth Bible study, and also the boat, the people that helping the boat, because I cannot do it for myself, right? So, but God sent the people to help this boat to go to the dry land, so that it will be fixed. So guys, I really need your prayer for this project, and also for this church that I am in. And please pray, especially for the souls that we are going to reach out in the future, when this boat will be finished. The will be finished, and everything, the documents that they needed, because I still need a picture with this boat, with the new registration number, and then the new name in that boat. I need that. Actually, the register office told me that within 3 weeks, but I think I already passed the 3 weeks things. But I just pray to God that it will be fixed. It will be finished. I should say it will be finished. I think they can understand me, because, of course, if I need financial, in order to I need money in order to finish this